Today, we're replacing the AC system on the 97 Subaru Legacy. I already went ahead and did the majority of the hard work. First things first, we took off the condenser. And the condenser is pretty easy to do. It is held with a 10mm bolt here and a 12mm bolt here. You undo these two bolts, obviously undo the bracket that holds the main radiator on the side. You're going to push it forward, and I was able to take the condenser wedged out to the left, which is the driver's side, and just pop it out towards me. And then I believe the reverse is going to be the same way. The AC, now we disconnected the lines first, and then we start tackling this bolt, and to get to these bolts here and here, you're going to have to take the alternator. And that's why the alternator is over there. For the alternator, there's a bolt that goes here, and this bolt here. Loosen both of these bolts all the way out. Bring this down. And also the AC pulley, you're going to loosen that. Once you get the alternator out, you'll have access for this one and this one here. This is the new condenser right here. Well, the new compressor here. And this is the setup here. Now you'll be tempted to take it out with just removing this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. But there's not a lot of space to put a socket here or here once it's in the vehicle. It might take a little bit longer, but believe me, it's more easier if you just take the whole bracket out. That way you don't be wasting time trying to mess with that. Just take the whole thing out, bite the bullet. Remember, good things take time. And also, please pace yourself. It's not that hard, but there's a lot of moving things that you have to do. A lot of steps for you in order to do this. Also, if I didn't mention, take this car or take your car to get the AC evacuated out of the system. You don't want to start taking lines out and you have AC or you have Freon in the system, because it's just going to be let go into the atmosphere and affects the ozone and weather changes and climate and all that such things. Alright, so here is the new, that's the old. We're going to replace everything that has to do with the AC. Also, note the small details. The rings. We bought a packet of new rings so we can ensure that there will be no leaks and nothing will contaminate our AC lines. Alright, so let's start by putting that guy back in there.